Hello guys, now let's talk about the set. So we already aware that set doesn't allow the duplicate values inside it, right? There are three classes which implement the set interface. One is hash set, linked hash set and the tree set. So why do we need three classes to implement the set interface? That's the question you might have. But the reason is different. Hash set doesn't follow any order and the linked hash set follows the insertion order and the tree set will follow the sorted order. These are the differences between these three classes when you implement the set interface. Okay, I will explain you these three classes with a small example. Let's assume that Flipkart want to monitor their unique users, like for example, even though the users are visited 5 or 6 times, they want to know that how many unique users are visited. Now here they can use the hash set because they doesn't need the order of the users, they just want it how many unique users are present, right? So they can go with the hash set. In the same Flipkart application, when you add the items to a cart, right, so it will follow the insertion order. That means whichever order you add to the cart, the items will be follows the same order, right? So there they will use the linked hash set. So when we filter with the price, right, the items will come in the sorted order, right? So there they will use the tree set. Simple, right? Now let's implement set. So I am taking the set strings. Okay, I am giving unique users as a name is equal to, we will take the hash set, right? Hash set. Now let's insert some data inside it. So first we have to import the set. I'm importing. Now let's insert some data inside it. Add. Let me give my name Durga. Let's assume that I'm copy pasting here. Okay, Babu visited 3 times. Babu and Babu. Okay, now let's give another name. Unique users dot add. Let's give name Ravi. Okay, Ravi. Now let's print it. Unique users, right? Now let's run it. Now you can see here in the hash set, it doesn't follow the order. We have given some order, it is taken some other order, right? So hash set doesn't follow the order. And you also look here, Babu was printed once only, even though you have given 3 times. That means set always removes the duplicates, whichever class you take. Okay. Now let's take the linked hash set of strings. Okay. Cart items I am giving as name. Okay, new linked hash set. Now let's add some data inside it. Add books. Now let's duplicate it. Okay, now let's add pencils. Add. Let's add mobiles also. Okay, now let's print it. Cart items. Now let's run it. Now you can see here the insertion order was followed in the linked hash set. Anyway, duplicates were removed, so but the order was present right here. You can see. Now let's implement the tree set. It is a item prices. Okay, let's name it like that. New tree set. Okay, now let's add some data inside it. Add 100. Let me copy paste and modify the data inside it. Okay, 1 2 3. Now let's give it 50 and let's give it 200. Okay, now we already aware that tree set will sort the elements, right? Now let's print it once. Let's print it. Okay, item prices. So I'm running it. Now you can see here it was printed in the sorted order, and also remember here duplicates everywhere was removed. Wherever you use the set interface, there the duplicates will be removed. That's it. Now let's talk about the null also here. Let me add a null here. Add null, and again adding null. Okay, 2 times I'm adding. So here one null it will accept. If you take 2 nulls, right, it will be duplicate, right? So that means it will only accept one null value. So I will give in this linked hash set as well. Okay, let me run it. Now you can see only one null was accepted. Okay, sorry, I have to change the name here, right? So I'm changing it here. Now you can see I'm running it. Now you can see here one null was accepted, another was removed. Okay, and we already know that wherever sorting will happen, there you should not add the null value, because if you add it, right, it will throw an exception. So in this tree set also same, right, because we are sorting the element, so null cannot be added. So I'm just added null and just I'm running it. Now you can see there is an exception null pointer. Okay, I hope you got my point. Thank you guys.